This is how you too can pass any problem challenge, like any problem challenge, any account size, you can pass it if you follow these rules I'm about to give you. So yesterday, I signed up for an FCMO challenge account. Sorry, I made a mistake. I signed up for an FCMO challenge of 50k account size, and I passed it yesterday, just literally yesterday. Within like, I placed 2 trades on gold, 2 on USD, 2 on GBP, like 6 trades that took me to pass the account. So these are you too can pass your own profile. If you are currently trading a profile account and you are struggling, going front, going back and forth, something like that, when you are stuck, break even, these are how you can pass any profile challenge. I'm going to be showing you my strategy I use in passing the account. So I'm going to put the video after this video. I'm going to put the video in this video, if that makes sense. Okay, so number one thing you have to, like, very very important, you have to notice that you must have a plan, and this is not like risk management. Like, it's very very important. You have to manage your risks, because the risks I took yesterday was like half of my account. I was like 25,000. Yes, I think 25,000. Imagine, yes, I was. As you can see on my screen, this is FTMO. I'm on their platform, and this is the dashboard. This is the account I passed yesterday. As you can see, see pass minimum trading days. I took the account. I registered for the account yesterday, and I passed it yesterday. So just the minimum 2 days. So I need to place one more trade today. So I just placed some trades today, and it ended up on a loss, but I used it to just pass the minimum trading days. Then you see a max daily loss, pass, then max loss, pass, profit target 2,500. I made 2,600. It was 2,800 yesterday when I passed it. Well, I placed some trades. I was just messing around with the accounts. I placed some trades, and as you can see, my trade history. You can see this is today's. These are the trades I placed, and this was the trades that I used in passing the account. See, you can see XA USD gold. As you can see, $1,200 in profit. Then under position again, XA USD sell 1,200. You can check the date, 27th of September 2023, around 6. I closed the trade around, I think, yes, 18:23, yes, around 6 Nigerian time. And on my USD trade, $200 and GBP USD, which I closed out early, and I ended up reversing the GBP USD. So these are the trades I took in passing the account yesterday, as you can see. So let me show you the trades I took, what I saw in the market, what I saw on the chart that made me to lose trades. So let me go back to my chart. This is the DXY. Let me go back to my chart, and this is gold. So this was the trade I took on gold. As you can see, this was the trade. So the market was in a healthy downtrend. The market was in a very very healthy downtrend, making a series of lower highs and lower lows, making a series of lower highs and lower lows. So yesterday, the market created a new high around this area. So the market created a new high, and these are my psychological. If you're wondering what these lines are, these are my psychological levels. So I trade based on psychological levels and trend line. So these are my psychological levels here. Yeah. So the market was creating a series of lower highs and lower lows. So yeah, it created a new lower high. So I was like, okay, the market is creating a new. I was supposed to enter, but I said no, let me wait to break below my psychological level before I enter. So I waited, and it broke below my psychological level with a bearish engulfing candle. It's a bearish engulfing candle. That's why I decided to go in with two position risking. I think I risked 20 pips on the trade. I think 20 pips. So I ended up banging, I think, like 1 to 3 or 1 to 4 risk to reward ratio. I ended up banging over 90 pips on gold. Then market even went down further. But I've passed the account, so I decided to close the trade number, because I also opened other trades on USD and GBP USD at the same time. As you can check the time here, it is around 2:30. See, Wednesday 27 September 2023, 14:30. That is 2:30, around 2:30. So that's when I entered the market. Let me take you to Euro USD. This was the trade on Euro USD. So the market break. Okay, yeah, the market break. The market was still in a healthy downtrend. If you are saying like healthy downtrend, trend line bounce and then fall, and then it break below my cycle level. This line is my sub-psychological level. So it break below my sub-psychological level. We closed like very, very bearish with a full body candle, bearish candle below my psychological level. So I was waiting for a retest at this level. So the market went up for a retest. After retesting, then I waited for a bearish engulfing candle. So that candle showed up, then I pulled the trigger, and then I waited. I closed the market around this place. I didn't wait for the market to actually hit TP, because I already, like gold, because of the trade I took on gold, I already passed the account around this area. Yeah, that's why I closed the trade around this area. I didn't wait for the market to hit my TP. So I just closed the trade because like I've already passed my challenge. So I just hit TP. Sorry, I just closed the trade. So that's what happened on Euro USD. And also GBP USD. Look at the trade I took. It was a trend line bounce and also a psychological break and retest. That's what made me took this trade. This trade didn't even hit, like just in total just gave me 20 pips. Trade just gave me 20 pips. Didn't even, I think 30 pips. Yeah, 30 pips, because the market retested the psychological level and then started coming down with this huge bearish engulfing candles. Started coming with these bearish engulfing candles, and then after the bearish engulfing, and then a huge bullish momentum candles like this one started coming up. So I decided to close the trade. I think I got out a little profit because I was like scared and everything. So I just closed the trade on a little profit. So, but I've already passed the account, so I didn't bother holding the trade. So that's what happened. That's why I passed the challenge. So if you're interested in learning my strategy, make sure you subscribe to the channel and also click the bell icon, so each time I upload a new video, so you will get notified. And if you're a beginner, you are looking for a strategy to learn, I think this one might be the best one for you, because it's very simple and easy to understand, and can even teach you the younger one. So make sure you watch out, subscribe and watch out for more videos, more content coming out very soon that are beginner related. So I'll be your beginner guide and I'll guide you through this foreign journey. So make sure you subscribe. And I think that's all. That's what I saw that made me to trade. I'm currently on the trade too on GBPS, currently on a sell trade. So as you can see, currently on a sell trade, and it's going well. So if you're interested, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and also
this is how we are closing the account. Started this account today, and FTMO 50k challenge, and we have currently passed the account. This is $2,800 floating in profits. We have currently passed the account. The challenge target was to make 2,500, but I'm currently at almost 3,000. My equity is within 2,900. So challenge passed. That same day, I just signed up for the account today, and I'm passing today. I've not placed any trade. The only trade I played was GBPS. I decided to close because the market was coming back at me here. This is my entry point, and somewhere around this place. Then the market is coming back, so I decided to close. So that's why. Then I kept my Euro USD and my gold trade running. Gold has hit my TP, so I'm about to close my trades. So yeah, that's how I pass an FTMO challenge with those operations. And yeah, literally, this is literally today. Look, there's no trade. See, same thing. Just literally today, I took the account today. See, today, first trade. This is your USD. Then this is GBPUSD trade I closed. Then USD and gold. Gold was the one that gave me everything. I'm just grateful. So That's it. We are closing profit. This is three pairs I trade, just Euro USD, GBP and gold. So that's all.